Hi guys, we meet again, up close and personal. I feel so weird right now because I'm not wearing any lashes. So I almost feel naked in a way. But I've been waiting to do this video for a while now. It's just been taking so long for all of these packages to finally arrive. I did take off my lash extensions for the sake of this video. If you watch me, you would probably know that I did a video a little while ago on how I do my own lash extensions at home. I am certified to do lash extensions. I do them on my friends, family, clients. I've really fallen in love with the art of eyelash extensions, and on top of that, I get sent new lash extensions every day, so I'm always playing around with them. It's just so much fun. So I thought, since I always do Wish videos, to see what kind of eyelash extensions and tools they have on Wish. And lo and behold, you guys, I found all of the necessary things that I would need to do my own lash extensions at home. All of these were like $1. Yes, everything I got was $1 or under. I think the lash extensions themselves were free plus shipping. I got 5 different things, and all of these together costed me around 20 bucks just because of the shipping. You guys know the shipping is a little more extra on Wish. But in this video, we're gonna test out and see if I can do salon eyelash extensions at home using Wish products that were $1. I'm a little nervous, to be honest, only because of the glue. Everything else seems to be alright to use, but when you're using eyelash extension glue, you gotta make sure you get a really good quality one. That can be dangerous and get a little tricky when it comes to eyelash extensions, but let's open these packages up and I can show you guys what I got, and then we can just get on to putting these on. So I did get, I got these type of lashes. These are with the fans already made. So this is just more if you want that extra volume, which I'll add a couple of these on as well. And then these are the other lashes I got, and these are just individual ones. This is kind of what I use when I do my lash extensions. These are the kind of lashes they use at the salon when they do lash extensions, but just by feeling these, I don't know if you guys could hear that. It's so hard. The way you can tell the quality on the lashes is by seeing how soft or hard they are, and these are really hard, so we'll see how these work. I also got these. These are very necessary when doing lash extensions. I do already have a bunch, but you know, they were $1, so I had to get them. And these are the tweezers that, you know, you use to pick up the lashes and put them on. You know, these are sharp too, so you gotta be super careful. I also got the glue, of course. This is very much necessary and needed. It took me so long to look for a glue that I thought was gonna be good enough for me to use in this video, just because you gotta be super careful when using eyelash extension glue. The fumes can really irritate your eyes, especially if I'm gonna be doing them on myself, and my eyes are obviously gonna be open. When I do my own lashes at home, it's very important that I use a low fume lash glue as well as latex free, just because I just want to make sure I don't get any irritation or any allergic reaction when doing my lashes. So I saw this glue on Wish, said it was non-toxic and no fumes, but also really strong, and it should be long lasting. Yeah, so I got the glue. Then I also got, I forgot about these, a tape thing. And I'm probably not even going to use this for myself. It's just medical tape that you use, you know, underneath your lashes to keep the ones down and not like get stuck to the upper lashes. But because I'm doing them on myself, my eye is going to be open, and really there's no use for this, but still got it. Those are basically all the necessary things I use when doing my lash extensions. But before we do get into it, I do not at all recommend any of you to be doing this. I myself am experienced and I have tons of practice, so that's why I'm able to trust myself to do something like this. But I in no way recommend any of you, okay, to try this at home. But I thought it'd be an entertaining and fun video concept, so here we go. Okay, can you guys see me? Yeah, so let's begin. I got my lashes lined out here, and then I got my handy dandy ring. I'm gonna put some of the glue in here. First, we gotta shake it really well. Let's add it in. Just a couple drops. I'm ready. So first, I'm going to... I'm not sure how to start this. I guess I'm gonna start with these lashes first. I'm just gonna place some of these just randomly on the longest lashes I have. Here it goes. Whew. A little fumey. Okay, the lash glue definitely does have some fumes, but it's not too strong where it's unbearable, but I definitely feel it. Like, but now let me add some of these lashes, and these are individual, so I am just gonna add one on each lash. Do you guys see that? So I'm going to fast forward this, and we'll see what the end result really looks like. Alright guys, it's been about 20 minutes and the lashes are coming along. We're definitely not even halfway done. I know. But what do you guys think so far? Can you even tell? I'm gonna continue to put on lashes and I'll catch you guys when I'm done. It's gonna be a while. Alright guys, it's been over an hour already and I'm almost done. So far, I'm kind of loving it. The glue is not my favorite, but of course it's from Wish, so I didn't have too high expectations. And I thought I wouldn't like the lashes all that much, but they're actually alright. They're super easy to use and they stick on to my lash pretty well, so I don't know, so far so good. I'm going to apply a couple more and then I will catch you guys up in the other location and show you guys the final results. So I'm back. Okay, I am kind of shook. Where do I even begin? First and foremost, the timing. I mean, this took a couple hours to get an individual lash onto every single one of my natural lashes, and usually if I was to do it with my high quality equipment, I would get a full set done in about an hour, but this took me like almost 3 hours or something. I gotta say, this glue didn't do the greatest job, but it was $1, so I can't complain too much, I guess, because it did get the job done. And as for the lashes, as you can see, I used 2 strips. The only thing I would change about the lashes themselves are the length. I wish I got them a little longer so you guys could see the difference a lot more, but these ones I actually did not use at all. I used maybe 2 of them in the middle. I don't know, I don't really like them. I'm probably never going to use these, so I'm most likely going to throw them away. And then for the application, I tried using this thing, you guys, but I just could not. Because first of all, it is so sharp. When I first tested it out on my hand, it literally pierced my skin and I bled a little. So I'm like, I don't think I would want this close to my eye just in case I mess up or anything. I don't want to poke my eyeball. And on top of that, it doesn't grab that well, so I just couldn't use this one to complete the lashes, and I just used the one that I usually use. The point is not sharp at all, but it also grabs the lash really well and I could get like precisely in there. Anyways, I love this little tool. I know you probably can't see that much of a difference just by looking at me right now, so I'm gonna get a little bit closer and I'm gonna do a little before and after so you can really see what the lashes look like. And so here's the before and after. So here is what my lashes look like before, and then this is what my lashes look like now with eyelash extensions from Wish. To be real with you, I like the way this eye turned out a lot more than that eye. I guess the biggest question is, will these actually last? I will check in with you guys in about a week and see how they do. Good morning. It's been 4 days since I filmed my eyelash extensions video, and I woke up this morning and realized like more than half are gone. So they did fall off pretty quickly. I am only filming this little part because I'm gonna actually go take them all off and do a full set using my good quality lash extensions and glue. But you know, this was a fun test, I guess. But overall, guys, I am really shook at how these turned out, and the fact that I was able to do a full set of lashes using products that I got from Wish for $1. It's insane. Wish, you gotta stop. Okay, but will I ever use these again, or will I use them on my clients? No, absolutely not. I definitely like to use the best high quality products when it comes to doing lash extensions, just because they're so close to your eyeballs, and you always have to be cautious with the stuff you put around your eyes. As always, these are just meant to be really fun, lighthearted, trying weird things from Wish videos, so don't take it serious and don't do what I'm doing. Do not try this at home. But if you guys like this video concept, definitely give me a thumbs up, and that lets me know to do more. I definitely want to do a acrylic nail kit next, to see if I could do like salon nails at home. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see something like that. This video was so fun to film, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I truly appreciate you for taking some time out of your day to sit down and watch another one of my silly videos, and I hope I see you soon in my next video. Bye! Look at them!